In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a filter in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. And I already have my data open right here. So to create a filter using your iPhone, all you have to do would be to tap on the ellipsis at the top right corner. There we have it. And on the third row, you have create a filter. If you tap on it, we have created a filter for each of our columns right here. Let me just zoom in and show you what it would look like. There you have it. You have a filter icon on each end of these columns. So let's say we want to filter our data with a budget column to just show the movies that has had a budget of over $50 million. So let's do that. I'm going to tap on the filter icon right here. There you have it. We have these options. We can sort and filter, filter by condition, filter by color, or just select the ones that you need right here in the options below. For this one, we're going to be filtering it by condition. So let's tap on that. So filter items if, right now there's nothing chosen, but if we tap on this one right here, there we have it. Here are our options. And the one that I'm going to be using would be greater than or equal to. So we're just going to enter here the value of $50 million. There we have it. When you're done putting in your value, just tap on done at the top right corner. And there you have it. It's already filtered our data, only showing the ones that are equal to or over $50 million. And there you have it. There's still quite a lot, but again, it's only filtered to show these data based on your condition. Let's try that again. This time, we just wanted to show all the movies that are under the genre of comedy. So we're going to zoom in, tap on that filter icon, and this time we're just going to select right here. We're going to clear all those selected values, and this time we're just going to select comedy. So if I tap on this, now it's only showing us the data that fall under the comedy genre. And there you have it. So we've narrowed down all the movies that have had a budget of $50 million under the comedy genre. So that's how to create a filter in the Google Sheets app using your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.